has defeated India by 6 runs. Today's match, you know where we have lost the match? Fielding, we have lost the match today, boss. We have lost the match today in fielding. Clearly, in 1 over, Shardul Thakur has bowled 2 beautiful deliveries he has bowled. Mehdi Hasan was on strike. Tilak Verma missed an easy nitter-pitter sitter of a chance here. Nitter-pitter of a sitter of a chance in the mid-wicket, he has missed the chance. He was short mid-wicket, he was standing there inside the circle. He missed an easy catch drop, he has missed that catch. And then on the slip, bloody Surya Kumar Yadav, he also missed a chance. So in a 1 over itself, both of them has dropped the catch. And Mehdi Hasan was 7 runs. When both of them dropped the catch, Mehdi Hasan was on 7 runs. 6 or 7 runs. Then he went on to score 13 runs because of those drop catch. Yes, it doesn't make any effect. Major effect, it doesn't happen. But 6 runs we have lost the match, right? If that 6 runs would have been avoided, then you think about that. And also Shakibul Hasan's that catch was there. That was a difficult, you can say it's a difficult, but if your professional keeper is keeping instead of KL Rahul, okay, then definitely it would have, means the catch would have been caught. And that time Shakibul Hasan was on 28 runs. He went on to score 80 runs. So there itself, like 52 runs extra, he went on to score. So clearly fielding, see today 5 changes has been made. New players have been given chances. We don't expect them to bowl or bat or perform exceptionally well with the ball or the bat. अरे basic fielding तो करेगा ना यार. Basic catch तो पकड़ेगा ना यार. यही तो एक्सपेक्ट कर सकते हैं. ये तो बेबी मतलब अंडर 15, अंडर 16 में भी तो फील्डिंग तो बेसिक है ना यार. फील्डिंग तो अच्छा करना चाहिए था यार. कैचेस ड्रॉप कर रहा है, स्लिप्स में कैचेस ड्रॉप कर रहा है और मिड विकेट में कैचेस ड्रॉप कर रहा है और कोई मिसफील्ड्स भी कर रहा है. तो फील्डिंग टुडे वाज एब्सोल्युटली डिसअपॉइंटेड, कंप्लीटली डिसअपॉइंटेड. बांग्लादेश वाज 59 for 4. Shami has struck the wicket, opener's wicket, and Shardul Thakur has struck the wicket. 2 wickets Lord Thakur has struck and Shami has given a beautiful in-swinger and got rid of the danger man. India was on driver's seat. Then after that we allowed Bangladesh to score 100 runs partnership between Shakibul Hasan and that Hridoy. If the Shakibul Hasan's catch would have been caught by the hospital Rahul, then definitely we would have, today we would have wrapped up the match. After Shakibul Hasan's wicket, it was 160 runs. Bangladesh was on 160 runs. We should have wrapped them up by 200 runs here. We should have wrapped them at least 220 runs. We should have allowed them maximum. But we allowed them to score 266 runs. We have allowed them to score here. So much runs. So poor bowling. At the death overs, without Bumrah, seriously, the death over bowling is very, very scary. Means death over. That's why I said, instead of Prasidh Krishna, take Arshdeep Singh. That guy can bowl Yorkers. He's a very good death over bowler. Now, bench strength is looking very, very weak. Going into the World Cup, if the playing 11, one of them get injured, replacement is very, very weak. Yeah, it is looking like that. So that's why I wanted Arshdeep Singh inside the team. If some fast bowler gets injured, if Bumrah gets injured or something, then it will be very difficult. Yeah. So Prasidh Krishna today, he bowled well. He's an economical bowler, but he is unable to pick up wickets today. He was unable to pick up wickets. But anyways, basic fielding should be done properly na yaar. Tilak Verma could have got his maiden debut wicket. But anyways, coming to the chase, we didn't restrict Bangladesh for 220, under 220 we didn't restrict, and we allowed them to score 266 runs. And in last 5 matches when we played against Bangladesh, their number 8 batsman has always scored above, 4 times out of 5 times they have always scored above 50, and 2 times they have scored above 100 also. Mehdi Hasan has scored 100 also. So this is going. Today also that Nasum or whatever, whoever was that left-handed batsman was there, he also went on to score 40 runs. So these all proved to be very, very expensive and very, very costly na yaar. Anyways, coming to the chase, Shubman Gill, lone warrior, what a performance he has given. Biggest positive of this match was Shubman Gill's performance. Outstanding, lone warrior he was basically. He was basically a lone warrior. Backfoot punch is giving, he lost 7 batsmen. Still he held his nerve and he was kept his cool. And wickets was tumbling down on the other end and still he kept his cool and he was playing backfoot punches, lofted drives, mid-wicket he hit 3 or 4 sixes he has hit and he got to his sensational 100 he has got into. Unfortunately, he got out at the wrong time, but he played at sensational innings. Class is permanent, seriously. Brilliant innings he has played here. He played the spinners also really well. Mid-wicket region, he played exceptionally well. Superb he has played, really. He was lone warrior. Other batsmen should simply learn from him. Bangladeshi spinners also, they were bowling at 80s to 85 pace, whereas our spinner Axel Patel and this Jadeja was bowling above 90s. Faster deliveries they are bowling. Their average speed is 93, 94. So at this wicket you have to bowl slow. So Bangladesh spinners were bowling slow. Shakibul Hasan especially here. What a means class is permanent. He got 80 runs also and his economy was 4.5 and he got a wicket. So he is class all-rounder. Shakib Al Hasan, no doubt about that. Shakib Al Hasan, legend for Bangladesh, no doubt. I swear he's a legend because you see the match. If you listen, means if you watch the match carefully, that Ishan Kishan got dismissed. He tried a reverse sweep. Why he tried a reverse sweep? You know that because 8 dot balls was there. Shakib Al Hasan bowled a maiden over. The next ugly do gendo means 6 plus 2, 8 dot balls was there. That's why pressure was on him. Pressure to get off strike and give the strike to Shubman Gill. Pressure was off him. That's why he tried those shots and he got out. And KL Rahul also before that, the over where he got dismissed, that was a maiden over. Okay, by Mehdi Hasan, number 1. Okay. Previous over only 1 run came out Shakib Al Hasan delivery. So Shakib Al Hasan, he might not pick up wickets, but he's a very economical bowler. He's a building pressure bowler. Seriously, this is called captaincy. He is good captain, Shakib Al Hasan. Unfortunately, in Bangladesh, there is not world-class pacers. If they have world-class pacers, then seriously they are means formidable. Now also they are formidable side only. This Asia Cup, I don't know why they have not performed well, but in the World Cup, definitely they are. We cannot take them lightly after today's match. Seriously, and our Tilak Verma, seriously, today I expected him to play so well. Like I backed him. Today was a golden opportunity. 1 down, he came in. He should have scored at least a 30 or 40 runs, but he's completely. Where is the line of the ball? He missed. Means he's just leaving the ball simply. He's just leaving the ball. He misjudged the line of the ball. Completely misjudged the line of the ball. Where is the ball and where is he playing? Seriously. He also gone and KL Rahul also. Hospital Rahul basically. He played around 40 deliveries. He was well set. He hit some 2-3 boundaries. I thought he'll build a partnership with Shubman Gill. But he also, pressure was on him. Only 1 run came previous over. So he also tried a lofted shot. It went in straight in the hands of the fielder. Coming to the most important. Seriously. The team management should think about it. Sweep Kumar Yadav, how many more chances has to be given to this player? I really don't understand. He's a good T20 player. He's a match winner at T20, but at the ODI level, seriously, he doesn't have patience, isn't it? He just doesn't have patience. If 2-3 dot balls is there or 4-5 dot balls, pressure is building on him. He just plays one rash stroke and throws away his wicket, isn't it? He just throws away his wicket. Same today, Rahul also has done, but Rahul has scored 100. He justified his selection. But when will this Sweep Kumar Yadav seriously will justify his position? Seriously, I don't understand. Today was a golden opportunity to build a partnership with Shubman Gill and finish off the match. At least take the match closer. 2 or 3 dot balls is there. Their spinners are on hold. He should show some patience. Instead of that, he's just sweeping. He's called as Mr. 360 degree. Like he can play in the extra cover, lofted shot, extra cover. He can play straight drive. He can play all over the ground. But he chose to play only sweep. So today he didn't play like Surya Kumar Yadav. He played like Sweep Kumar Yadav. First ball itself, he played one sweep shot, it went for 4. But every day is not a Sunday. Every ball will not go for a 4. So he played sweep, 2 or 3 fours he has hit. After that he became bold and he threw away his wicket. Even Jadeja, such a matured player, such an experienced player, expected something from him. 7 runs he has scored. He also threw away his wicket, So I don't know why the batsmen are throwing away their wicket. Every wicket has a price here. I think today they went with a very casual approach. But in World Cup, if you throw away your wicket like this is maybe today is a time pass match. But in the World Cup, every match is a 2-point match, right? If you lose even 2 points, if 2 points gawa doge to opposition means you might miss your semi-final spot. So every match is important in a World Cup. So seriously, bench strength is a very big worry sign today. Bangladesh has given a reality check today that bench strength, India's bench strength is not that much strong. Akshar Patel has come after Shubman Gill has got out. Some 60 runs was required that time. Then Akshar Patel has played a 42 runs innings he has played. Same like how that there Nasu, that left-handed spinner. Same there also that left-handed batsman and left-handed spinner. He also came at number 8. Akshar Patel also I think has come at number 8 only. Am I right? At number 8 only he has come in. Then Shardul Thakur came at number 9. Then 2 of the bowlers like Prasidh Krishna and Shami came at 10 and 11 respectively. So their player also scored 44 runs. Our player also 42 runs. If the Tilak Verma, Surya Kumar Yadav or someone, even Jadeja or anyone could have showed little more support, right? Then definitely today we could have won the match. And fielding should improve. Surya Kumar Yadav dropped a sitter of a catch in the slips also, and Tilak Verma also dropped a catch. But Tilak Verma bowled a beautiful ball to that Shakib Al Hasan, and Hospital Rahul has dropped it. That's why I say Ishan Kishan should keep wickets for India. When professional keeper is there, why professional keeper is just fielding, I don't understand. Just to protect luxury players, this is happening. So anyways, let's see finals, what happened. Finals is going to be very difficult match against Sri Lanka. Kuldeep Yadav today, we can say that. We can definitely say that today we missed Kuldeep Yadav, then we missed Siraj, we missed Bumrah, we missed Kohli, we missed lot of players we missed. Okay, then we missed many of the players we missed. Siraj we missed, many players we missed. But they have also missed Tashkeen. Then that left-handed seamer was there. Then another Nagin dance, Mushfiqur Rahim is there. That Nagin dancer is there. So they also missed some 4-5 players, right? So there's no excuse for today's match, today's defeat. So we have to tighten up, and in the finals we have to play with our full heart and efforts. That's it. Full 100% we have to give. And Kuldeep Yadav is very, very crucial. Finger spinner means wrist spinner is very, very crucial. And Kuldeep Yadav, why today I understood that why Kuldeep Yadav has a pick of the tournaments is because he varies his pace from 80 to 85. He bowls slower. He gives flight to the deliveries. Whereas Jadeja and Akshar Patel is a good batsman. The way he's playing, he's not looking like a bowling all-rounder. He's basically looking like a batting all-rounder. He's playing well with the bat but not with the ball. So why he's not getting wickets is simply because he's just skidding the ball. That's it. He's just allowing the ball to skid, not allowing the ball to turn. And Ravindra Jadeja also today shocking. He also was bowling at a like 90 to 95 pace he was bowling. And slower ones of his odd ones didn't even turn. So it looked like that itself. Anyways, let's see what happens in the finals. Finals against Sri Lanka. Sri Lanka has wonderful spinners and the crowd will be full. Sunday match is there, I think. 17th. Yeah, Sunday match is there. Full crowd will be with Sri Lanka itself. So let's see what happens. India has to play well. All hopes is on Kuldeep only. My all hopes is on Kuldeep, and batting Kohli only, all the hopes. Kohli and Rohit Sharma, all the hopes. Let's see what happens.